Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to test out you can see here, I got it right here. It's the Master Airscrew propellers for the Neo and also for the Avata 2. And I'll do a comparison. So let's see how it goes. All right, so now we're gonna test the Neo, and let's see how this one goes. Do the Avata 2. Let's see how this one goes. So just for comparison, I'm going to check out the Flip and see how it compares with the other two. So let me try